Hello guys, today I wanna show you my cockpit and my wheel and maybe TV or not. So first of all, it's Gamepro RS100. It's Ukrainian brand, but maybe in the future you can see in your markets. So it's nice. We have these 4 angles. You can choose different angles, and also you can choose any position if you have long legs on or short. I mean long on or short. Okay, that's we understand. Thank you. So all this weight, I think like 25 kilograms. It's aluminum. We have podium for pedals, but I took this for less vibration. So what else I can say about this? No vibration, how you can see. In the bottom we have these plugs, and that's nice. Okay. Next, and maybe the most beauty part of this cockpit game base, it's Thrustmaster T598. So this you can see easy fixation. You just look and you have wheel in your hand. We have different button, L2, L2, that's gear, it's metal, and this sound pretty well, so nice. Next, it's PS button, it's just like gamepad, nothing special, so let's take it back. Nice. It's direct drive, and I haven't wheel, but maybe in 10 years, maybe genius, if you hear about this, but this like real car. So also we have this small screen and maybe part of me. Here you can see, oh my gosh, you can see in-game speed or other options. So let's see pedals. First of all, pedals have different force for push, so how you can see, and you can change it. Just take another position for this, and it's so easy guess. Let's take back. And for brake, I took so tight, but it's only half. You can change it. For my opinion, humble opinion, this cockpit maybe 10. For this price, in Ukraine it cost maybe $300, and will cost like $550. And what else? Maybe you won't see something about this, but maybe that's all what I need to show you. And if you're interested, that's me. That's not me. If you're interested, this is Xiaomi 65-inch TV, 120 Hz. I don't know how it in English. So how you can see, my English not bad, but I teach or study. So thank you for your watching. See you later. Bye.